ఏపీ మెగా డిఎస్సి 2025 భాగంగా సెకండ్ గ్రేడ్ టీచర్స్ అలాగనే స్కూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ మ్యాథ్స్ కంటెంట్లో భాగంగా ఈ వీడియోలో ప్రాఫిట్ లాస్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. అలాగనే ఈ వీడియో అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసే వాళ్ళకి చక్కగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ ఫార్ములా. Cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price, abbreviated as CP. Selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price, abbreviated as SP. Profit or gain. If SP is greater than CP, the seller is said to have a profit or gain. Loss. If SP is less than CP, the seller is said to have incurred a loss. Gain equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss or gain is always reckoned on CP. Gain percent equal to gain into 100 by cost price. Loss percent equal to loss into 100 by cost price. Selling price equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. Selling price equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price. Cost price equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. Cost price equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. If an article is sold at a gain of say 35%, then selling price equal to 135% of cost price. If an article is sold at a loss of say 35%, then selling price equal to 65% of cost price. When a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of say X% and the other at a loss of X%, then the seller always incurs a loss given by loss percent equal to common loss and gain percent by 100 whole square, that equal to X by 10 whole square. If a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses false weights, then gain percent equal to error by true value minus error into 100%. If a trader professes to sell his goods at a profit of X% but uses false weight with his which is Y% less than the actual weight, then gain percent equal to X plus Y by 100 minus Y into 100%. If a trader professes to sell his goods at a loss of X% but uses false weight which is Y% less than the actual weight, then gain or loss equal to Y minus X by 100 minus Y into 100%, according as the sign is positive or negative. Mansi purchased a car for rupees 2,50,000 and sold it for 3,48,000. What is the percent profit she made on the car? Cost price equal to 2,50,000. Selling price equal to 3,48,000. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price equal to 98,000. So profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100, that equal to 39.2%. If CP is rupees 2,516 and SP is rupees 2,272, find the percentage loss. Loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100% equal to 9.69%. Find SP when CP equal to rupees 56.25 and gain equal to 20%. SP equal to 120% of 56.25 rupees, that equal to 120 by 100 into 56.25, that equal to 67.50 paise. SP equal to 85% of rupees 80 rupees 40 paise, that equal to 85 by 100 into 80.40 equal to rupees 68.35. A gold bracelet is sold for rupees 14,500 at a loss of 20%. What is the cost price of the gold bracelet? Cost price equal to 100 by 80 into 14,500, that equal to 18,125. The owner of a cell phone charges his customers 23% more than the cost price. If a customer paid rupees 7,011 for a cell phone, then what was the cost price of the cell phone? Cost price equal to 100 by 123 into 7,011, that equal to rupees 5,700. Shalo sold a mobile phone at the cost of rupees 1,950 at a loss of 25%. At what cost will she have to sell it to get a profit 30%? Case 1, selling price equal to 1,950, a loss equal to 25%. Then cost price equal to 100 by 75 into 1,950, that equal to 2,600. In case 2, selling price, cost price equal to 2,600, profit equal to 30%. Then selling price equal to 130 by 100 into 2,600, that equal to 3,380. Here we also another method. Let the new SP be EX rupees, then 100 minus loss percent. First SP equal to 100 plus gain percent is to second SP. 100 minus 25 is to 1950 equal to 100 plus 30 is to x. That equal to 75 is to 1950 equal to 130 is to x. Then x equal to 1950 into 130 by 75. That equal to rupees 3380. A television manufacturer earns 20% profit by selling each TV set for rupees 14,400. If the production cost is increased by 15%, what should be the new selling price of a set so as to gain 15%? Selling price is equal to rupees 14,400. Profit equal to 20%. Therefore, cost price equal to rupees 100 by 120 into 14,400. That equal to 12,000. New cost price is equal to rupees 115 by 100 into 12,000. That equal to 13,800. Gain equal to 15%. Required selling price equal to 115 by 100 into 13,800. That equal to rupees 15,870. A book was sold for rupees 20, rupees 55 with a profit of 10%. If it was sold for 25 rupees 75 then what would have been the percentage of profit or loss? Selling price equal to rupees 27.50. Profit equal to 10%. Then cost price equal to 100 by 110 into 27.50. That equal to rupees 25. When SP equal to 27.75, profit equal to 0.75. Then profit percent equal to 0.75 by 25 into 100%. That equal to 3%. If the cost price is 96% of the selling price, then what is the profit percent? Let selling price equal to rupees 100. Then cost price equal to rupees 96. Profit equal to 4 rupees. Then profit percent equal to 4 by 96 into 100%. That equal to 25 by 6%. That equal to 4.17%. A manufacturer makes 800 articles at a cost of rupees 1 rupee 50 paise per article. He fixes the selling price such that if only 600 articles are sold, he would make a profit of 30% on his outlay. However, he sold 620 articles at this price. Find his actual profit percent of the total outlay, assuming that the unsold articles. Cost price of 800 articles equal to 1.50 into 800 equal to 1200. Selling price of 600 articles equal to 130 by 100 into 1200. That equal to 1560. Selling price of 620 articles equal to rupees 1560 by 600 into 620. That equal to rupees 1612. Profit equal to 412. Then profit percent equal to 412 by 1200 into 100%. That equal to 34.1 by 3%. The selling price of 30 items is sold to the purchase price of 25 items. What is the profit or loss percent? Let cost price of each article be rupees 1. Then cost price of 30 items equal to 30 rupees. Selling price of 30 items is equal to rupees 25. Loss equal to 30 minus 25 rupees equal to 5 rupees. Then loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100. 5 by 30 into 100, that equal to 16 or 2 by 3%. By selling 33 meters of cloth, one gains the selling price of 11 meters. Find the gain percent. Selling price of 33 meters minus selling price of 33 meters equal to gain equal to selling price of 11 meters. Selling price of 22 meters is equal to cost price of 33 meters. Let CP cost price of each meter be rupees 1, then cost price of 22 meters equal to 22 rupees. Selling price of 22 meters is equal to 33. Gain percent equal to 11 by 22 into 100, that equal to 50%. A vendor bought bananas at 6 per 10 rupees and sold them at 4 per 6 rupees. Find his gain or loss percent. Suppose the number of bananas bought equal to LCM of 6 and 4, that equal to 12. Cost price equal to 10 by 6 into 12 equal to 20. Selling price equal to 6 by 4 into 12 equal to 18. Loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100, that equal to 10%. A vendor sells 10 clips for a rupee, gaining here by 40%. How many clips did he buy for a rupee? Selling price of 10 clips equal to rupees 1. Gain equal to 40%. Cost price of 10 clips equal to rupees 100 by 140 into 1, that equal to rupees 5 by 7. For rupee 5 by 7 clips bought equal to 10. For rupee 1 clips bought equal to 10 into 7 by 5 equal to 40. A vendor bought buttons at 6 for a rupee. How many for a rupee must he sells to gain 20%? Cost price of 6 buttons equal to rupee. Gain equal to 20%. Selling price of 6 buttons equal to 120 by 100 into 1, that equal to rupees 6 by 5. For rupees 6 by 5 buttons are sold equal to 6. For rupee 1 buttons are sold equal to 6 into 5 by 6, that equal to 5. A grocer purchased 80 cases of sugar at rupees 30.50 per kg and mixed it with 120 kg sugar at rupees 16 per kg. At what rate should he sell the mixture to gain 16%. So cost price of 200 kgs mixture equal to 80 into 13.50 plus 120 into 16 rupees, that equal to 3000. Selling price equal to 116% of 3000, that equal to 116 by 100 into 3000, that equal to 3408. Rate of selling price of the mixture equal to 3480 by 200 per kg, equal to rupees 17 rupees 40 per kg. Pure ghee cost rupees 100 per kg. After adulterating it with vegetable oil costing rupees 50 per kg, a shopkeeper sells the mixture at the rate of rupees 96 per kg, thereby making a profit of 20%. In what rate does he mix the two? Mean cost price equal to 100 by 120 into 96, that equal to 80 rupees per kg. By the rule of allegation, mean price 80, cost price of 1 kg ghee 100, cost price of 1 kg oil 50, that equal to required ratio 30 is to 20, that equal to 3 is to 2. A dishonest dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses a weight of 960 grams for a kg. Weight find is gain percent. Gain percent equal to error by true value minus error into 100%, that equal to 40. Here 40 is error. 40 by true value 960. 40 by true value 1000 minus 40, that equal to 960. 40 by 960 into 100%, that equal to 41 by 6%. A shopkeeper advertises for selling cloth at 4% loss. However, by using a false meter scale, he actually gains 25%. What is the actual length of the scale? Let cost price of 1 meter of cloth be rupee 1. Professor said selling price of 1 meter cloth equal to 96 by 100, that equal to 0.96, gain equal to 25%. Actual CP of the cloth sold for rupees 0.96 equal to 100 by 125 into 0.96, that equal to 0.768. Actual length of the scale equal to length bought for rupees 0.768 equal to 76.8 meters. A dishonest dealer sells the goods at rupees at 61 by percent loss on cost price but uses 12 by 2% less weight. What is his percentage profit or loss? Let the cost price of 1 kg goods be rupees 1 and then selling price of 100 minus 12 1 by 2% of 1 kg, that equal to 785 grams goods, that equal to rupees 0.9375. SP of 1 kg goods equal to 0.9375 by 875 into 1000, that equal to rupee 1 by 14. Then profit percent equal to 1 by 14 into 100%, that equal to 1 by 7%. If the manufacturer gains 10%, the wholesale dealer 15% and the retailer 25%, then find the cost of production of a table. The retail price of which is rupees 1265. Let the cost of production of the table be rupees X, then 125% of 115 of 110 of X equal to 1265. That equal to 125 by 100 into 115 by 100 into 110 by 100 into X equal to 1265. That equal to 253 by 160 X equal to 1265. Then X equal to 1265 into 160 by 253, that equal to rupees 800. Monica purchased a pressure cooker at 9 by 10th of its selling price and sold it 8% more than its selling price. Find her gain percent. Let the selling price be rupees X, then cost price equal to 9x by 10. Repeat equal to 108% of rupee 1. Receipt equal to rupees 27x by 25. Gain equal to 27x by 25 minus 9x by 10, that equal to 108x minus 90x by 90, that equal to 18x by 100. Gain percent equal to 18x by 100 into 10 by 9x into 100%, that equal to 20%. An article is sold at a certain price but selling it at 2 by 3 of that price, one loss 10%. Find the gain percent at original price. Let the original selling price be rupees X, then new selling price equal to 2 by 3%, 2 by 3 of X, loss equal to 10%, then selling price equal to 100 by 90 into 2 by 3x, that equal to 20x by 27. Selling price equal to rupees 20x by 27. Cost price, selling price equal to rupees X, then gain equal to X minus 20x by 27, that equal to rupees 7x by 27. Gain percent 7x by 27 into 27 by 20x into 100, that equal to 35%. A tradesman sold an article at a loss of 20% if the selling price had been increased by rupees 100. There would have been a gain of 5%. what was the cost price of the article. So here let cost price be rupees X. Then 105% of X minus 80% of X equal to 100 or 25% of X equal to 100. Therefore X by 4 equal to 100 or X equal to 400. So cost price equal to rupees 400. A man sells an article at a profit of 25%. If he had bought it at 20% loss and sold it for rupees 10 rupees 50 paise loss, he would have gained 30%. Find the cost price of the article. Now let the cost price be rupees X. Selling price. First selling price equal to 125% of X, that equal to 125 by 100X, that equal to 5X by 4. Second cost price equal to 80% of X equal to 80 by 100X, that equal to 4X by 5. Second selling price equal to 130% of 4x by 5, that equal to 135 by 100 into 4x by 5, that equal to 26x by 25. Therefore 5x by 4 minus 26 by 25 equal to 10.50. That implies 21x by 100 equal to 10.50. That implies x equal to 10.50 into 100 by 21 equal to 50. Hence cost price equal to rupees 50. A man sold 2 flats for rupees 6,75,958 each. On one he gains 16%, while on other he loses 16%. How much does he gain or lose in whole transaction? Remember, in such a case, there is always a loss. The selling price is immaterial. Loss percent equal to common loss and gain percent by 10 whole square, that equal to 16 by 10 whole square, that equal to 64 by 25%, that equal to 2.56%. Two-thirds of consignment was sold at a profit of 5% and the remainder at a loss, and the remainder at a loss of 2%. If the total profit was 400 rupees, find the value of the consignment. Let the value of the consignment be rupees X. Cost price of 2/3 equal to rupees 2x by 3. Selling price of 1/3 equal to rupees x by 3. Total SP equal to 105% of 2x by 3 plus 98% of x by 3 equal to 7x by 10 plus 49x by 150, that equal to rupees 154x by 150, that equal to rupees 77x by 75. Gain equal to rupees 77x by 75 minus x, that equal to rupees 2x by 75. Therefore 2x by 75 equal to 400. That implies x equal to 400 into 75 by 2, that equal to 15,000. When a producer allows 36% commission on the retail price of his product, he earns a profit of 8.8%. What would be his profit percent if the commission is reduced by 24%? Let retail price equal to rupees 100, then commission equal to rupees 36. Selling price equal to 100 minus 36 equal to 64, but profit equal to 8.8%. Selling price equal to 100 by 108.8 into 64, that equal to 1000 by 17. New commission equal to rupees 12. New SP equal to rupees 100 minus 12 equal to 88. Gain equal to 88 minus 1000 by 17, that equal to 496 by 7. Then gain percent equal to 496 by 17 into 17 by 1000 into 100%, that equal to 49.6%. Thank you.